Chapter 2 Windows 10 Operating System. Recapitulation. Various devices are attached with the computer. Computer system has two parts, hardware and software. Central idea. Introduction to an operating system. Components of MS Windows 10 desktop. What is a desktop? Icon, wallpaper, recycle bin, file and folder. Opening and closing of window. Resizing and moving a window. Introduction to operating system, OS. You have seen teachers and students working in the school. Who do you think manages all the work? Introduction to operating system. Yes, it is managed by our school principal. Our principal, our teacher. The principal does so many tasks to manage the school. In the same way, the computer is made up of different parts and does several tasks at a time. It also requires a manager to control all these tasks. Operating system is a system software which manages the computer hardware and software and helps us to operate the computer system. Operating system controls and manages all the different parts of a computer system. Operating system is like a bridge between you and the computer system so that you can communicate with the computer. There are different types of operating systems available in the market, such as MS Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Ubuntu, Android, iOS. Operating system for your smartphone and tablets are Android, iOS. Most of the people use Windows OS because it is simple, user-friendly, and supports multimedia system. A few versions of Windows OS are Windows 10 2015, Windows 8, 2012, Windows 7, 2009, Windows Vista, 2008, Windows XP, 2001. Components of MS Windows 10 desktop. Desktop. When you turn on the computer, the screen that appears on the monitor is called a desktop. Icons, wallpaper, start button, task bar. The Windows 10 desktop has three components. 1. Wallpaper. 2. Icons. 3. Taskbar. Background picture of Windows 10 desktop is known as a desktop background or wallpaper. You can change desktop background pictures according to your choice. Icons. On the desktop, you will see several small images with a label. These are called icons. Icons represent different applications that are installed on the computer system. When you double-click an icon, the associated file or program will be opened. For example, if you double-click on the This PC icon, it will open Windows Explorer. Some of the icons which you can see on the desktop are Recycle bin. When you delete a file or folder in Windows, it goes to Recycle bin. Start button. The Start button allows users to access the programs installed in the computer. This PC computer. This PC window allows the user to access the local drives or external drives. Network. Network can display the other computers, network printers, and other network resources, drives. Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge is an internet browser of Windows. It is used to access internet and open websites. Taskbar. The taskbar is the long horizontal bar at the bottom of the desktop screen. By default, the position of the taskbar is at the bottom of the screen, but it can be repositioned to the right, left, and top sides of the desktop. It may be locked in place, set to auto-hide, or kept on top of the other Windows desktop screen. The Windows taskbar has 4 main sections. Start button, labeled with Windows logo. Quick Launch allows a paper folder where you can store important paper documents such as your homework sheets and assignments. Files. Files are used for storing the data for a longer period of time. You can store different types of things like letters, songs, images, videos, programs, etc. on a file. Closing a window. To close a window, click Close button on title bar of the window. Minimizing and maximizing a window. When you open a window, it is displayed in full screen. You can also minimize it so that it disappears from the desktop and resides as a button on the Windows taskbar. You can close the window using Close button. Maximize button allows you to enlarge a window to fit in full screen.